Here is how to use DigiNo.org. You simply click Start here, and you select whether you want to teach online or whether you're already an online teacher. I'll show you what happens when you want to teach online. This will take you to the selection list of whether you're a native English speaker with a degree or without a degree, or non-native with or without a degree. This will take you to the list of native hiring teaching companies, and you can apply through these pages for the company that suits you. But let's take a look at what happens if you're already an online teacher. This will take you to Explore Paradise and pick a token guide, depending on what you would like to learn. Make online teaching fun and easy, earn passive income from online teaching, or travel the world with online teaching. If you click on these tokens, this will take you to the right part of Paradise to suit your needs. Let's also explore the homepage. So down here you'll have essential tools for online teachers. If you click on these, this will take you to tutorials and pages for these tools. Then we have the most recent posts for the 4 segments of DigiNo: online teacher job, online teacher training, online teacher referral, and online teacher travel. You can also sign up for passive income tips for teaching online. And down here you'll have the DigiNo partnered teaching companies. If you click on these will take you to the apply pages and information pages for each one. And also at the bottom here, you have the contact. And you can always message me asking your questions. But now, because there's so many questions, I've created Ask DigiNo, and I will reply to your question in the form of a YouTube video, and I will notify you of when it's published. If you can't find what you're looking for, there's the search bar at the top. And that is how to use DigiNo.